Hola y bienvenidos to our pre-K and kindergarten Spanish class that weaves together math, science, early literacy, music, and art. This class is designed for children ages 4 to 6, and it can be used as a bridge between our pre-K class, letters, numbers, colors, animals, and our early elementary class, or it can also be a great starting point for young learners who do have some prior experience with Spanish. This class is very beginner-friendly, but with some added depth for growing learners. The goal for this class is to go beyond basic vocabulary by using Spanish to explore meaningful academic concepts in developmentally appropriate ways. By integrating the core subjects, students strengthen both their Spanish skills and connect to what they may already be learning at school. Each class follows a predictable routine that students quickly recognize and take ownership of after just a few classes. We follow engaging themes that allow us to dive deeper into each topic while keeping lessons playful and accessible. For example, during our house theme, students explore Spanish through multiple connected skills, all in one class. They might identify letters and their sounds. They will find shapes and different parts of a house and name words that start with the same sound. Talk about rooms in a house and colors that we see, and complete patterns by naming and sequencing different rooms. This layered approach helps students make connections and understand Spanish in a meaningful and memorable way. We're focusing on age-appropriate skills that support both first and second language development. Students don't need to read fluently or speak in full sentences. Everything is clearly modeled, supported, and repeated. Throughout movement, singing, tracing, syllable practice, and hands-on activities, students build confidence at their own pace. During class, students use interactive slides, readers, worksheets, and games. Each class ends with a game and a sharing time, giving students opportunities to review vocabulary and communicate in Spanish in a supportive environment. Worksheets are provided for use during class and also sent home for more practice. So if you're ready for your student to be learning Spanish in an incredibly fun and engaging environment, but with a fun twist of science, math, and literacy practice, then we would love to see you and welcome your family to our class.